Pop it, it's your boy, big boy vibes, you get me, man. Back out here again, fam. And today it's gonna be a different artist. So the first time reacting to this artist, you know what I'm saying? So the guy's name is Brooksism. I'm not sure if it's a group or if it's a guy or what it is, but the song's called Brooksism and his song's called No Controls. It's always called something like that. And the second song I'm reacting to was because obviously I don't know who this artist is, I don't know like if he's gonna get views on his own. So I partnered him up with another Superstar Boys reaction, and that song is called Fuck All of You 2K18, or it's called Fuck You All 2K18, I'm not sure. I've seen multiple titles for the same song with two different titles, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know which one it is. Either way, let me know in the comment on the screen. So yeah, man, fuck all of you 2K18, that's what I'm calling it, I don't give a fuck. So fuck all of you 2K18 and Brooksism No Controls, man. So yeah, like I said, I don't know nothing about Brooksism, I ain't never heard of that thing in my life. I don't know if it's a band or if it's just one artist or what, but it just sounds Brooksism, yeah, it just sounds like, yo, mad, and No Controls, man, like, does that mean like they're under no control, they're gonna get harm, what's gonna happen, you get me? It's interesting. It sounds nice. So yo, I wanna get into that shit, you get me? And the Suicide Boys fuck all you 2K18. So yo, that come out last year. Fuck all of you 2K18. So yo, that might be them not going in, just fucking hating on everyone. So I'm just going ham in that song. And yo, I'm expecting big things from these two songs, you know what I'm saying? So yo, if you're new here, like, comment and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what more songs I'm going to react to. And like I said before, I'm going through the list, all the songs in order, you know what I'm saying? So yo, if you put a song out now, I'll probably get it out to you within maybe 3 weeks, maybe something like that. So yeah, just be a bit informed of that, you know what I'm saying? But yo, I'm trying my hardest to get as many videos out as I can, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the sketch, man. So let's get to the video, you get me? Okay, so I don't know who this cat is, man. Brooksism. I'm sure it's Brooksism. I don't know if the guy might spelled it wrong or if I'm just saying it wrong, but I think it's Brooksism. No Control. So yeah, like I said, I don't know nothing about this geezer, you know what I'm saying, or nothing about whatever this is. So I don't know what to expect from this, you know what I mean. But if one of the OGs, man, if one of my OGs that told me to react to this song, then it's gonna have something about it, you know what I mean. That might be good. But yo, let's see. No Control. I've said it about another song, it sounds like a wrestler song, you know what I mean? Like a, when a WWE superstar comes out, man, and this. Now we don't. Now that bass coming in. This is like an Omen 13 or fucking Zilla Call Me Again, Star-Lord. Bro, this guy's shouting a lot, fam, you know what I mean? But yo, let's get into this. Fuck with the syllables, fall out my lip. Run on your principle, cause you a bitch. I am the pinnacle, you are the niche. Your shit is fictional, man is legit. Okay. So you can get where the rhyming's coming in, you know what I'm saying? But it's going ham, man, shouting a lot. There's a bit of anime in there as well, so it's proper similar to like Zilla Call Me and Scar and these, man, you know what I mean? It's just similar, man. Hard beat, hard flow, and quick rap, you know what I mean? And it's, I fuck with it. It's nice. This is nice. Just like an amateur, you suck and you spit, but not bad. Fire and Bristol is ending with ash, yo. Talking about selling soul, never caught by what, with no ice and no flesh, something like he said. With ice and no flesh, that's what he said. So yo, this guy don't exist and shit like that, fam. So yo, this is some demon shit, you know what I'm saying? But yo, it's night every day my stomach full of stress. This beat fucking fire, man. Whoa, you get me? And I kill what I fuck, and I fuck what I kill. Have I heard that? I kill what I fuck, and I fuck what I kill. Have I reacted to a song like this before? That sounds fucking familiar. I kill what I fuck, and I fuck what I kill. But I don't know if I'm tripping, man, but yo, that sounds familiar as shit, man, I'm telling you. Man, it's something similar, man. I don't know. What I kill, what I fuck, what I kill. Yo, that's just demented, bro. You know, you said it as well, demented. That's the first word that comes to my mind. That guy's a bit fucked, you get me done? Like fire coming out that anime geezer and that, bro, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, who is this guy? Is it a white guy? Is it a black guy, man? Because, I don't know, man, it sounds hard, man, either way, you know what I mean? But, because that artist, like, that anime character, like, white skin, so I can't tell, I am released, minding the leash, all of my angels and demons deceased. Sheesh, hold my peace. What? Holding my peace. Finding release, there is no censorship left when I speak. Yo, hard. All of my angels and demons deceased. Sheesh, holding my peace. Finding release, there is no censorship left when I speak. Okay, this guy is hard. He is hard, I swear. This gets you. And I kill what I fuck, and I fuck what I kill. Bro, that bass drop, and I kill, bam, you get me, and I kill what I fuck, and I fuck what, yo, hard, man. Yo, this camera, yeah, like the CCTV one's gonna be thinking, yo, what the fuck is this guy saying, you know what I'm saying, man, but yo. Fuck do you fuck with the airport? Coming in. Fucking hell, I am indescribably fucking mechanically fucking manically tearing you up. Fuck your depression and fuck your anxiety. Fuck every reason you so. Yo, this guy, man, this guy's going a bit intense. You get me, though? Can you calm down a bit for me, please, don't you know what I'm saying? But yo, in general, this is a fucking flame. This is just, it just gets you in the mood. This is a gym song, man. Proper gym song. Monday I'm gonna go gym, yeah, literally tonight. Like, not tonight, fam, because now it's Sunday when I'm recording this, you know what I'm saying? But yo, Monday night I'm gonna go gym, fam, and this song's gonna be on my speakers, on my headphones, bro, you know what I'm saying? And gains, you get me, cause this, man, this pumps you the fuck up, bro, you know what I'm saying? I ain't fucking every reason you suck. I'm in your room, I'm in your heart, I'm in your truth, I'm in your heart. I'm in the reason you live, in the reason you die, the reason you stop and you start. One for the road, one for the cold, one for the story that never gets told, one for the life that you always been told, one for the demons that live in your soul. Like, I don't think I've given this beat a lot of credit, man, but this beat seriously is a fucking work of art, you know what I mean? There's a lot of twists and turns in this beat, like low, and then it just pumps you up, like when he goes hum on the beat. Like, I don't know if he made the beat, I think he must have, you know what I mean, because this is going perfectly with this guy. The way he's using it is just literally the best beat I've ever seen. Like, the way it's been used is so good, man, you know what I mean? A lot of mix in there, a lot of like that like, I don't know what you call it, man, but it's like a little like a dubstep-ish beat, if you know what I mean, but it's got heavy bass in there as well, and it's got like, it's like a mix of Suicide Boys, like a mix of fucking some dubstep type shit, it's a mix of some like rockish as well. Right at the start, there's like a bit of like a rock vibe to it, and it's just fucking bad, man, in general. It's just a sick song, man, you get me? Dropping a jaw and I'm gone. Yo, that's a sick lyric video. Just subscribe to this, brother, you get me? HD lyric video saying nothing, man. Hard, that was fucking hard, man. Lit as well, you get me? Break yourself, So before I get into anything, shout out to Big Man Lyrics by SL Colby, you know what I mean? Big man, you know what I mean? Got a few videos from him now, lyric reactions and that, you know what I mean? So yo, shout out to the guy. I said, you know what I mean, a lot of times, which means I'm kind of nervous, because yo, it's Suicide Boys. Fuck all of you. 2K18, which was last year. So yo, excited about this, you know what I mean? So yo, make it so the beat is kind of nice, you know what I mean? I don't know what's gonna happen with the beat. It's gonna be a heavy bass, gonna come in 100%. You get me? So yo, beat it down. Break yourself. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that, you know what I mean? And what is that Christmas season on the background? This is just a fucking lyric reaction anyway, so yo, I don't mind that. Lil remains a scrim starting. Then he goes with my middle fingers up. Okay. For my cousin, I'm busting. Got the Nina to keep up. Okay. From after Ramirez Antichrist, this is baby shit, man. You know what I'm saying? What you talking about the devil shit? It's yo, come on, Scrim, man. This is kid shit. You know what I'm saying? But yo, Scrim, these man ain't about that devil shit anyway. Like, you know what I mean? I heard about them, man. But yo, Ramirez is still got me a bit. Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm still a bit yo, fam. But yo, it's nice. So, yo, that's kind of short from Scrim. I ain't gonna lie, that's ended from him. But it was nice. You know what I mean? Like, he had nice bars in there. The beat's nice. This is typical Suicide Boys. I think Scrim's over, so Ruby's winning now, huh? Romeo the Black Rose, trying to be the most hated motherfucker. Fuck a hole, fuck a number. Romeo the Black Rose. What kind of nickname is that, man? Yo, I like fucking. Obviously, they gave me a nickname, man, you know what I mean? They'd be like, yo, I swear down. Because obviously, I got that fucking grey silver hair. They'd be like, yo, the big silver. No, I was going to say silverback. Is that Ramirez, isn't it? The silverback. Or he's just a gorilla, man. That could be like the big silverback. I swear down, if I was a fucking rapper, man, you know what I mean? If I was in these group and that. But yo, I need to start dreaming and carry on with this. All I see is lame motherfuckers. Go on. Nothing to prove, nothing to change, nothing to gain. Like, yo, okay, that was nice, fam. That was nice from these, like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, it went in. This was nice. Simple, it went over the top. It weren't shit, it was just sick. Nice. This I fuck with this. This was nice. This was nice. Bro, Brooks has no control. No expecting that from my brother was going in, bro. Like, yo, fam, I've heard of flame shit, yeah, but this was next level. It was just hype, bro. It's just Scarlet vibe. You get me? It's like these, man. It's like these like hype artists, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just scream rap, and it's just bass, and it's so many fucking different beats as well. Weren't different, but so many like changes in the beat, you feel me? And it was just fucking flame in general, when you get me. Bad, you know, so I didn't expect it to be so hard, you know, but it went in, bro, you get me, can't hate, man. And then the second song was Suicide Boys, fuck, you know, it's Suicide Boys, man. I knew it from the title, fuck, all of you 2K18, like, yo, you know that shit's fucking flame, you get me, like, when they say fuck all of you, man, you know, when you get me, get ready to get fucked up on that, bro. So, yo, expect big from Suicide Boys to deliver as well, I swear down, man. Scrim had a dirty flow, Ruby had a dirty flow. And in general, man, the beat was on point, the bass drops were fucking banging, I swear down, man. The bass was kind of low at the start, and then it gets you the mood, you know what I'm saying? Like, slowly but surely, you know it's flame, you get me? But yo, it's a banger, man, you get me? No respect to the guys coming to react to these two songs. And like I said, man, going to the list. So yo, tomorrow is going to be a Shaco reaction and a Ramirez reaction. Triple reaction as well, so yo, be ready for that shit. And I catch you on tomorrow then, you get me? So hold tight, and in the video, you get me?